What's up, y'all? I want to tell y'all something cool. I bet you didn't know about the Amazon warehouse. The Amazon discount warehouse where they got over 60,000 products that are return items that are refurbished, reboxed, and you can get a great deal because they're certified and they have all their warranty and everything. And I bet you didn't know about before you buy stuff from the regular Amazon, check out the Amazon warehouse and see what kind of deals you can find, man. It's just thousands and thousands of products. So in this video, I just want to show you a little bit about the Amazon warehouse and get you thinking about the Amazon warehouse, because I'm going to do videos every other week about some of the cool products in the warehouse. And you can just save when you buy from the Amazon warehouse. Okay, with all that said, check out some of this stuff. Amazon warehouse. Shop discounted deals on open box items from tablets, laptops, TVs, toys, home and kitchen, lawn and garden, home improvement, a whole lot of other things that you can't even think of is in that Amazon warehouse. You see some of these cool things right here. Just thousands and thousands and thousands in the Amazon warehouse. Check it out. Go there and save. Gotta hit those links in the descriptions and share this video with a lot of people. I'm telling you, they'll love it.
Before, but these are water speakers I'm going to show you, and then the floating globe, and then the TV tuner that you can plug into your computer, desktop, or laptop and receive free over-the-air channels in your area. You don't need a cable in the subscription, it's just all free. You just pull them in with an indoor antenna or outdoor antenna. And I'm going to show you some of our other products that we have on our Hollywood 2000 store. Check it out. Oh yeah, the water speakers, they shoot up blue LED lights of water that sync with the music. And it's beautiful. It can just go all the way up to your top of your wall or just give out a beautiful blue light. And it's amazing just to watch this. And the water speakers are Bluetooth speakers, so you can just point your phone at the speakers and pair your phone with those speakers and play music and audio from your phone directly to the speaker, or add a Bluetooth or USB stick in the back of it and play all your songs. So it's real cool. You don't need a computer, to play the speakers from all of your connected devices.
Now this is the levitating globe, a beautiful globe that just floats in the air. And it's a map of the whole world, and it gives off a beautiful LED light, and you could just watch it floating. This is amazing, man. This is a cool little thing that you can buy for a gift for somebody or keep it for yourself. And the digital tuners that you can connect to your computer, PC, or desktop and get free over-the-air channels. in your area from an indoor antenna or outdoor antenna. Cool tech stuff, man. Now, this is a cool little solar system. It has 4 LED hanging lights, and you can charge up your phone and play a radio. And during emergencies, you will have backup power. And this gets you into solar, learning about solar for a real low price to start with this little system. A lot of people think this is just a toy, but no, this system is very powerful for the price. And like I said, it gets you into solar and you'll start learning a lot about it. And you can actually use these lights and stuff and, not use your other lights for a while. So I think everybody needs this little system. So check it out on Amazon and think about it because we all need backup power. Okay, thanks for watching this video. And check out all the cool products in the description of our video. We're going to put all the links in there so you can buy these products on Amazon and use them for your own solar setup. And you can email me with more questions. And make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel to get the notification for all the new videos that we upload in the future. Just hit that notification bell and you'll be set. And we really appreciate your support. So I will talk to y'all later. I'm out.
Hollywood2000.com.
Hollywood.
Hollywood 2000. Yeah.